In this video,
we will learn how to download GTA 5 on PC. There are various ways from which we can download GTA 5 for our PC, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Epic Games. So firstly, we'll go at the search panel of our Windows. From here, type Epic Games, and Epic Games launcher should pop up. Then we'll just click open, and the Epic Games launcher will open. After the Epic Games launcher opens, we'll just type in GTA 5 in our filter section, and we will see that the GTA games are showing in here. Now we can click on either one of them to install our GTA game. We'll be downloading the latest enhanced edition, so we'll just click on the install button from here, then select the directory. After that, we'll just click on install. And our game should start downloading. Afterwards, when the game download is complete, we can just close the window, go back to our library, from here launch the game. Afterwards, you should be directed to the GTA main menu. From here you can choose to play online or story. So this is how you can easily download and play GTA 5 on your PC and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.